Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. Hey, I tell you all the time, we are one of the best engine builders in the country. We don't just build a Chevy small block. We build them all. You got a dream, we're going to put that together for you. Come up, go on a high RPM and come down on set height. Perfect. Motor made some fantastic horsepower and torque. These Hemi engines are unbelievable. But again, if you're looking for anything, whether it be a Chevy small block, Chevy big block, Fords, Chryslers, Godzilla motor, whatever you're interested in, give us a call. We can handle it. You want turbo, you want supercharged, you name it, we can build it.